Yanpeng Nonwoven Machinery Company Limited, and today I will introduce our YP-SSMS Nonwoven fabric making machine model to you. Okay, let's begin now.
Hello, everyone. This is Yanpeng. Next, I will introduce our YP-SSMS nonwoven equipment to you. On the top floor, we have 4 main machine parts. The first is a screw extruder for melting and extruding PP chips mixed with master batches and additives. The second is an edge co-extruder for edge recycling. The third is the filter, which filters the impurities in the polypropylene melt. The fourth is a meter pump, which controls the supply speed of PP melt flow. Next comes our middle floor, where the 2 main machine parts are located. The first is the spinning box. The melt coming from the extruder becomes filaments in the spinning box. The second is a quenching and drawing system for cooling and drawing of filamentron. Finally, coming to our ground floor, here are the 3 main machine parts. The first is the fiber web forming device, which used to supply carrier for the drawn fiber webs. The second is the high-speed winder for winding non-woven fabrics. The last is the slitting machine, which is used to cut the fabric.
Thank you for your watching. If you are interested in our machine, please follow our video channel. Okay, goodbye.